Outdoor kitchens have become one of the most desirable features in modern backyards. They're no longer just about having a grill and a table. They're about creating a seamless extension of your indoor living space, combining functionality, style, and comfort. In this video, we'll explore how to design a modern outdoor kitchen that's both practical and visually refined. We'll look at why it's worth investing in, what to consider before starting, and the essential design elements that make it stand out. A well-designed outdoor kitchen enhances more than just your home's aesthetic appeal. It brings people together, turning casual weekends or family gatherings into memorable outdoor experiences. Functionally, it expands your living space and reduces indoor heat during summer cooking. It can also increase property value by adding a desirable feature to your home. Most importantly, a modern outdoor kitchen integrates lifestyle with design, blending cooking, entertaining, and relaxation into one cohesive space. Now that we understand why a modern outdoor kitchen can add so much value to your home, let's look at some design tips to help you create a space that's both stylish and functional. Start with space planning. Begin by assessing how much space you have and how it connects to the rest of your backyard. Define zones for cooking, preparation, and dining. Even in a small backyard, a compact L-shaped or linear layout can work beautifully if organized efficiently. Choose durable and modern materials. Select materials that complement your home's architecture and can withstand the elements. Stainless steel appliances, concrete or stone countertops, and composite decking are timeless and low maintenance. Add warm tones through wood or textured stone for balance. Focus on functionality. Prioritize the essentials: a quality grill, a countertop for prep work, and storage for utensils and tools. For larger spaces, consider adding a sink, a small refrigerator, or even a pizza oven. Incorporate lighting thoughtfully. Lighting sets the mood and ensures safety. Use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting. For example, under-counter LEDs, pendant lights above the island, and soft path lights around the seating area. Blend indoor and outdoor aesthetics. Maintain a consistent design palette between your indoor kitchen and the outdoor one. Using similar colors, materials, or cabinetry styles creates visual continuity and a sense of flow. Integrate shade and shelter. A pergola, canopy, or covered roof not only provides comfort, but also extends usability throughout the seasons. Choose materials that align with your overall design language. Add personality through details. Incorporate small touches that reflect your lifestyle. A built-in herb planter, bar seating, or a fire feature nearby. These details elevate the atmosphere and make the space truly yours. A modern outdoor kitchen transforms your backyard into a functional and stylish retreat. By balancing durable materials, thoughtful layout, and cohesive design, you can create a space that's as inviting as it is practical. Perfect for cooking, entertaining, and enjoying the outdoors year-round. Whether you're working with a compact patio or a spacious backyard, thoughtful design is what makes an outdoor kitchen truly modern. Clean, efficient, and beautifully connected to nature.